and Kuzushi. Okay? Alright, so let's see. Everybody stand up. You can either be on this side or you can be on this side so you can see. Corner, I'm going to use you. Alright, so we're going to practice reverse movement. So let's see, how do I want it? Okay, we're going to go like this. We're going to start off with the basics, the easy one. Just shuffle back and pull. Pull. So yesterday we did the gi drag going downward, right? Gi drag was going downward, like that. But today we're going to pull upward. We're going to pull up. Okay? So we're going to start over here. And just practice for now. Just go and shuffle back. So here, like that. Just pull. Stepping back and pull. Stepping back and pull. Stepping back and pull. Okay? And then let's see how you give it a shot. Upward. Yeah, see that? See how I'm going up? Right? This is what we want. That's how you're going to set up your throws. Okay? Alright, so first we're going to do it on the air. So just find some space. Let's all face the window. Okay, we're going to do it on the air. We're going to grab onto the air. Right? Pretend that you're grabbing on the collar. Pretend you're grabbing on the sleeve. So before you do anything with your hands, practice just shuffling back like that. That's all. Okay? Just shuffle back. Shuffle back all the way down until we get to the end. Okay, just like this. This is all you're doing. Shuffle. So I'm watching you guys speak, okay? Shuffle, right? Shuffle. Okay, let's go back. Okay, I want to see that again, but this time I want to watch you guys. Okay, ready? Just shuffle back. I'm watching your feet. Shuffle. Okay? Shuffle. Good. Okay, keep going. Just like that. I like what I'm seeing. Yep, just shuffle. Just like this, right? Just like this. That's all you're doing. Okay? Just like this. Okay, let's go back. Alright. So now you're going to add this piece. Okay, face the window, look at the lovely view. Look, there's McDonald's across the way. Do you guys ever get hungry when you're practicing? You're like, man, I want some McDonald's. Don't like McDonald's? Oh, could be junk food, but sometimes it's okay. All right, so look, now without shuffling, just practice going upward like that. Up. Look at my hands, right? I'm going up. And look, I'm pulling back as well. I'm not just going up, I'm pulling back, up and back, up and back, up and back, up and back. Keep going. No shuffling yet, no shuffling. Come forward, I just want to see that. Ready? Come on. Up. Pull. So look at my elbows, they're bending. Right? That. Okay. Essentially, right? Okay, now we're going to do it together. We're going to pull and shuffle back. So, shuffle back and pull. Pull. Okay? Right? Okay. Very good. Okay, let's try that with a partner. Okay, get with your original first partner. So today, you're either going to work with your partner number 1 or your partner number 2. Alright? So go with your partner number 1. Okay, find some space, like a group over here, a group over here. Let's start off in this black mat. Okay, we're going to start off in the black mat over here. Come on. Okay. Alright, decide who's going to go first. Right? So, remember, shuffle and pull. Let's see it. Ready? Go. Upward. Pull upward. Nice. Okay, good, Kavea. Okay, good, Seth. Good, everybody. Yep, you got to make him scoot with you. Okay. Collar. All right. Okay, let's go back. Other partner's turn. Right, start here in this black mat space. Wait a minute. I want to see everybody. What happened? You need it. What do you want to do? Is it too tight? Okay. All right. Let's see here. Here. We'll just tie a knot. Okay, I think that works. Okay. All right, other partner's turn. So, same idea. Ready? Begin. All right, shuffle and pull. Shuffle and pull. Shuffle, pull. Shuffle, pull. Okay. There you go. Good, Matilda. Okay. Yep, just like that. Okay, just like that. Okay.